Here we are, Coco Key, Orlando, Florida. We just arrived, and this is our room.
It actually looks nice.
Yeah, it looks very cute, very quaint.
What's in here? What's in there?
That's another adjoining room.
Oh.
You hear?
No.
I heard something.
Sure.
Yeah, so it's not too bad. Let's see. Later on, it's raining. So we just got here about 20 minutes ago. Check-in was maybe less than 15 minutes or so. And so we're all gonna get situated and see what we can get into because it's pouring outside.
Oh.
And we might just go to Universal Studios or Universal, yeah, and salvage the day. Oh, you heard that? Thunder.
Yeah. Comment on what's your favorite ride in Orlando. Like, what kind of amusement, well, not amusement park, but what ride is your favorite? My personal favorite is the Harry Potter rides, like all three of them.
That's
I think there's three, right? Yeah. Yeah.
So you want
My first ride that I want to go to today, like, is Spider-Man, because normally it's from New York, and I'm originally born from New York.
yeah,
And I like Spider-Man too.
cool. Yeah. So we can do the Spider-Man. All right, guys. So we'll check with you later on. Thanks for watching.